Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Roblox can't join Roblox game. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type add or remove programs. Click on open it. Search Roblox. Click on the three dot icon and select uninstall. After uninstalling it, just close stuff here and now go to search menu and type percentage local app data percentage again. Comes up file folder. Click on open it. Now you just need to find a Roblox folder. Just right click on the Roblox folder and select delete it. After deleting this folder, just to close stuff here and open up browser. Search Roblox download. Select the first link. Select the download Windows app option. After getting download done, you can install it. After the installation done, you can play the game without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.